See, the first sum, what is given in your book is practice time. Mother bought 2 saris and the length of one sari was 6 meter and 50 centimeter and the other was 5 meter and 50 centimeter. What is the total length of both saris? So now what you have to do immediately, first one, your statement sum. What is the question? What is the sum they have given? She bought 2 saris, length of one sari. What is the length of one sari? Length of one sari. Now what you have to do? Meter and centimeter. Immediately you have to write meter and centimeter. So what is the first sari? It is 6 meter and 50 centimeter. Now what is the length of second sari? Length of the second sari. What is the length of the second sari? It is 5 meter and 50 centimeter. Now what is the question they have asked? What is the total length of both the saris? So immediately you have to put plus here. So 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So what is the answer you have to write? What is the answer? Therefore, total length of the saris is 12 meter. It is the total length of sari is 12 meter. Now next question. What is the next question they have asked? Mr. Naveen Kumar walked the distance of 200 meter 50 centimeter. So he walked the distance of 200 meter and 50 centimeter to reach the bank from his house. He returned back to his house. What distance did he walk together? So what is the second sum you have to do? The second one. What did Naveen do? He walked the distance of 200 meter and 50 centimeter. So you have to write distance walked. From where to where? From his house. He walked from house to bank. From house to bank. Distance walked from house to bank. It is how many meter and centimeter? It is 200 meter and 50 centimeter. 200 meter and 50 centimeter. Now, the distance walked from bank to house. Now, bank to house. First line was house to bank. Next is bank to house. Now, how much did he cover? It is again 250 centimeter. Now, what is the question they have asked? He returned back to his house. What distance did he walk together? So, same distance only. From house to bank he went. Again from bank to house, the same. So, now what you have to do? What is the question they asked? What is the distance did he walk together all together? So, immediately it is plus. So, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Now, 1 here. 0 plus 0, 0, 4. So, what is the answer you will write? 401 meter. You have to write, therefore, he covered the distance of 400 meter, because centimeter is not there, it is 401 meter. Now next, the third sum. What is the third sum given in your book? Third sum. If the length of 2 roads are 25 kilometer, if the length of 2 roads are 25 kilometer and 500 meter and 30 kilometer and 400 meter. So, one road is 25 kilometer and 500 meter. The other road is 30 kilometer and 400 meter. Now, what is the question? What is the length of both road? Again here, what you have tried? Length of one road. Length of one road. What is the length of one road? Now, what you have to do on the top? What you have to do? Kilometer and meter. So, what is the kilometer covered? He has covered the length. It is 25 and 500. And what is the length of second road? The length of the second road. What is the length of the second road? He has covered 30 kilometer and 400 meter. Now what you have to do? What is the thing you have to do? Whether it is plus or minus. They have asked what is the total length of both the roads. So now immediately you have to put total means you have to plus. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is 55 kilometer and 900 meter. So the total length of two roads, therefore total length is 55 kilometer and 900 meter. It is 55 kilometer and 900 meter. Now next sum, what is the fourth sum they have given? A rope is, fourth sum, what is the fourth sum? A rope is 27 meter 40 centimeter long. So what is the rope here? 27 meter and 47 centimeter long. If 20 meter and 30 centimeter is cut off, I think I taught you in the subtraction, the ribbon, the mother with the ribbon cutting. So if one rope is 27 meter and 40 centimeter long, in that 20 meter and 30 centimeter is cut, what is the question they have asked? What is the length of the rope left? So immediately what will you write here? Length of the rope. What is the length of the rope there? What is it given? Length of rope is how much? It is 27 meter and 40 centimeter. Now what is the next line they have given? 20 meter and 30 centimeter is cut. So immediately you have to write length cut off, length cut off, or you can write length of rope cut off. How much? How much is cut here? It is 20 and 30. 20 and 30. Now what is the question they have asked? What is the length of the rope left? So immediately you have to minus left. Left means remaining. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 0 is 7, 2 minus 2 is 0. So you will write 7 meter and 10 centimeter. So what you have to write? The length, the remaining length of the rope. The remaining length of the rope is 7 meter and 10 centimeter. 7 meter and 10 centimeter. Now next sum, fifth sum. John is 1 meter 60 centimeter tall. James is 1 meter and 40 centimeter tall. So one person, what do you have to write? You have to write first one, what is it? James. Sorry, first one is what? John. So John's height, you have to write John's height. Because only height you are talking about here in this question. So John height. What is the John's height here? It is 1 meter and 60 centimeter. And the other person is James. James height. What is the James height here? James height is 1 meter and 40 centimeter. Now what is the question they have given here? They have asked, but how much is John taller than James? So here they are comparing. So when you are comparing, you have to minus. So what is it? 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the thing, question they have asked? But how much taller? John is taller. So immediately you have to write John is 20 centimeter taller than whom? Taller than James. So this is how you have to do your statement sums. The next sixth sum. Yeah, what is the sixth sum given in your book? Sixth sum is a fishing boat covered 7 kilometer and 400 meter. A motor boat covered 30 kilometer and 500 meter. What is the distance covered by the two boats? What is the difference between the distance covered by the two boats? So now what is the question? What is the thing? Sixth sum. The distance covered by, what is the first thing? Covered by motor boat. Distance covered by motor boat. What is the distance covered by motor boat? It is 7 kilometer and 400. Now what is the second one? A fishing boat covered 7 kilometer and 400. So I think the motor boat is little bigger. So you can write immediately the motor boat, it has covered 30 kilometers, 30 meters and 500 centimeters. 30 meter and 500 centimeter. 500 meter, I'm sorry, it is 500 meter, kilometer and 500 meter. Now, what is the next question? What is the next thing they have given? Fishing boat. Fishing boat, the distance covered by fishing boat. What is the distance covered by fishing boat? It is 7 kilometer and 400 meter. It is 7 kilometer and 400 meter. Now what is the question they've asked? What is the difference between the distance covered by the two boats? So difference. So immediately you have to minus it. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. And this will become 10 and this will become 2. You are borrowing. 10 minus 7 is 3. It is 23. So what is the answer you will write? This difference is, therefore the difference is 23 kilometers and 100 meters. It is 23 kilometer and 100 meters. Now next, seventh sum. What is the seventh sum they have given? Somnath jogged 8 times around the park. Now what did he do, Somnath? He jogged 8 times around the park, that are 500 meter and 10 centimeter long path. So what was the total distance jogged by him? So what is the question is, Somnath, what did he do? What is the seventh question? Somnath, he jogged 8 times around the park. So what you have to do? Length. Because length, what is the length of the park here? What is the length of the park here? It is 500 meter and 10 centimeter. 500 meter and 10 centimeter. Am I right? 500 and 10 centimeter. Now, what is the next line they have given? He jogged 8 times around the park. So it means the number of times he jogged. So number of times he jogged. Who jogged? It is Somnath. Number of times he jogged was 8. Now, what is the question they have asked? Now, just read once again. Somnath jogged 8 times around the park, that are 500 meter and 10 centimeter long path. So, what was the total distance jogged by him? So, 8 times when we jog, you have to find out the total distance. So, immediately you have to multiply, because 8 times he jogged for 500 into 500 meter and 10 centimeters. So, you have to multiply. 0 8s are 0, 1 8s are 8, 0 8s are 0, 0 8s are 0, 5 8s are 40. So, now what will you write here? He has covered 400 and meter 4. He covered. Now, what is the question they have asked? How much distance he has covered? So, you have to write 4,000 meter and 80 centimeter. So, he has covered 4,000 centimeter and 4,000 meter and 80 centimeter. So, that is a question. So, what is the question? Lastly, they have asked, what was the total distance jogged by him? So, he has jogged, or you can write covered, or you can write jogged, anything, jogged or covered. So, he jogged or covered 4,000 meter and 80 centimeter. Is it clear now? Seventh sum. Now, eighth sum. What is the eighth sum? Can anyone read out? Now, what is the eighth sum? The length of one measuring tape used by a tailor is 1 meter and 50 centimeter. So, what is the question is, the length of one measuring tape is used by a tailor is 1 meter. So, now what is the eighth sum here? The length of one tape. The length of one tape is how much? 1 meter and 50 centimeter. I think you can write here meter and centimeter. 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Now, what is the next one they have given? What will be the length of 10 such tapes? So, immediately, now what you have to write? Length of 10 tapes. So, now what you have to do? For one tape, they have given 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Now, you have to find for 10. So, immediately you have to multiply with 10. So, what is it? 0, 0, 0. Then this 0, 5 and 1. So 1, 5, 0, 0. So it is 15. So what will be the answer here? So it has come 15 centimeter, or you can, 1500 centimeter, or you can convert into 15 meter. So this is the answer. So the length of 10 tapes, is, the length of 10 tapes, you can write 15 meter or you can write 1500 centimeter, therefore. Now what is the ninth sum they are given? Ninth sum is, the length of a sports stadium is 1500 meter. If a sportsman, if a sportsman runs twice around it. So what is it? The length of a sports stadium is 1500 meter. And if a sportsman runs twice around it, he is rounding twice, 2 times is rounding. So what is the total distance covered? So again same here, it is multiplication. So what is the length of sports stadium here? Length of the stadium. Length of the stadium is how much? It is 1500 meter. Now how many times he has covered? He is gone. He is running for twice. So you have to write number of times. Number of times he ran is 2. So immediately you have to multiply. So now what is it? 30, 5 2s are 10, 1, 3. So what is the answer you will write? He has covered the total distance he has covered. Therefore, he has covered 3000 meter. Because the length of the stadium is 1500 and he has gone for 2 times. So 1500 into 1500, it is 3000 meter. So therefore he has covered 3000 meter. Now next sum, your 10th sum. A roll of wire is 8 meter and 90 centimeter long. Now what is the 10th sum is? A roll of wire. So what is the 10th sum they have given us? A roll of wire is 8 meter and 90 centimeter long. If one is cut off into 9 pieces, so what they have given us? One roll of wire is there, 8 meter and 90 centimeter. So what is the 10th sum is? The length of the wire. What is the length of the wire? It is 8 meter and 90 centimeter. Am I right? 8 meter and 90 centimeter. Now what is the number of pieces is cutting it into? What is the number of pieces? Number of pieces is cutting into 9. He is dividing into, cutting it into 9 pieces. So what will be the length of each piece? So if one piece is what? One length of the wire is 8 meter 90 centimeter and is cutting into one number of 9 pieces. So now what you have to do? You have to find out for length of one piece. So you have to find out length of one piece. Now how will you do it? It is 890, that is 890 divided by 9. See, but here now what happens here is you are converting into centimeter. So how will you convert this? Already I told you in your division sum, statement sum. This meter, how will you convert meter into centimeter? 8 into 100 plus 90. 8 into 100 plus 90. So you will have 890 centimeter. So length of the wire one piece is 890 centimeter. So now what you have to do? This 890 you have to divide by 890 you have to divide by 9. Am I right? Are you clear now? See, length of one wire is 8 meter and 90 centimeter. But what you have to do, you have to convert this into centimeter. You can't write meter and centimeter. Finally, you are converting into centimeter. So how will you convert into centimeter? 8 into 100 plus this 90. So 890 centimeter divided by this 9. So what is the answer you will get? 890. So 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81 and 9 7s are 9 8s are again 9 7s 9 8s are 72. Again it goes on. So what you can do? Just straight away you can write it is 98 centimeter. meter. So one piece it comes to 98 centimeter because it goes on, it 98.8, 98.8, 98.8 it goes. So directly you can straight away you can write 98 centimeter. Is it clear now? So 98.88 it goes. So round you can just round off and you can write 98. Length of one piece is 98. Therefore, length of one piece is 98 centimeter. Is it clear? Means you have to convert into centimeter and then you have to do your division. I think I told you in your division sums. Then the last sum. See your next sum. John runs along the boundary of ground covering 7 meter and 42 centimeter in a week. So now what he did, John, in a ground, he was covering 7 meter. So what is the distance covered? I think it's 11th question. The distance covered by John. What is the distance covered by John? It is 7 meter and 42 centimeter. It is 7 meter and 42 centimeter. Now what is the question they have asked? What is the distance he ran in one day? So that means one day means now what you have to do? In one day how much is covered? So in one day you have to divide it. The distance covered in one day. Covered in one day. So now what you have to do? 7 meter 742 divided by 7. 742 divided by 7. Because now listen, see, he ran it into one day. The distance covered by John, what is the question they have given? John runs along the boundary of ground covering 7 meter and 42 centimeter in a week. So week means 7 days. So week means 6 days. Now what you have to do is you have to divide it with 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 42 it is 6 times. See here in the sum, distance covered by John, it is 7 meter and 42 centimeter. Now what is the question they have asked is what is the distance is covered in one day? So now what you have to do, this you are converting into centimeter. So you have to write 7 into 100 plus 42. So you will write 742. So when you write 742 you get 16 the answer. So you will write 1 meter and 6 centimeter he has covered. So the distance covered or distance he ran in one day. Therefore he ran in one day is 1 meter and 6 centimeter. So this is how you have to do your practice time sums. Now next one is your activity given in your book. See, take a Tamil Nadu map which contains all details related to distance. Now what you have to do? You take one Tamil Nadu map, you just write all the details and you write the distance. You mark the names of 2 cities. Using the map, write the distance between the cities. Now suppose you take Madras and Delhi. You write the distance between the 2 cities. So like this you start writing the distance between the 5 important cities in your notebook. So that's your first activity given. Now second activity what is there given is there relationship between one's height and weight. Now what you have to do is you just start collecting the information with the help of your teachers and your parents. You start recording in your notebook. You just take one person's height and his weight, one person height and weight. You start collecting and you just find out the relation between the one's height and weight. Now next activity, measure the length and breadth of your rooms. Your house, you'll have your rooms. So what you have to do, you have to measure the length and the breadth using meter scale and write it in your notebook. See, this is and all a small activity which you can do it at your home. And the last one, see, I think you children, you'll have a shirt or a skirt or whatever it is. Now you have to write the measurement needed to stitch a shirt for you, your father and your brother separately in your notebook. So all these things if you find out, you'll find your length, meter, centimeter and all. So I think you have understood the length lesson, I think my children.